Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the details like room size, bed type, room viewer, amenities, facilities, and details in the hotel itself uses credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.